Baking soda secrets. Only 2% know these powerful benefits. In many households, baking soda is primarily viewed as a simple ingredient for baking, often relegated to the back of the pantry. However, this versatile powder holds a treasure trove of surprising health benefits and practical applications that extend far beyond the kitchen. From acting as a natural antacid to helping with oral hygiene, baking soda can play a significant role in promoting overall wellness. Additionally, it serves as an effective solution for various household challenges, such as deodorizing carpets, cleaning surfaces, and even unclogging drains. In this video, we will delve into the lesser-known uses of baking soda that can enhance your daily life. By exploring its multifaceted properties, we aim to shift your perception of this common ingredient and inspire you to incorporate it into your health and cleaning routines. Join us as we uncover the remarkable benefits of baking soda that you may not have considered before. Baking soda, scientifically known as sodium bicarbonate, is a white crystalline powder that serves as a leavening agent in baking. Its chemical formula is NaHCO3, which indicates it is composed of sodium, hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen. This compound is naturally found in mineral deposits, with significant sources located in regions such as California and Mexico, where it is harvested from the earth. While baking soda is often used in recipes to help baked goods rise, it is essential to distinguish it from baking powder. Baking powder contains baking soda along with an acidifying agent and a moisture-absorbing component, allowing it to create carbon dioxide gas when mixed with liquid and heat. This difference is crucial for achieving the desired texture and flavor in baked products. Understanding these properties and distinctions can enhance your baking skills and help you utilize this versatile ingredient more effectively in your culinary endeavors. Baking soda's alkaline nature makes it an effective remedy for alleviating heartburn and indigestion. When ingested, it reacts with stomach acid, neutralizing excess acidity and providing quick relief from discomfort. This natural approach can be particularly beneficial for those seeking alternatives to over-the-counter medications. A simple remedy involves mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drinking it slowly. This solution can help soothe the burning sensation associated with heartburn. Additionally, using baking soda as a remedy is highly cost-effective compared to commercial antacids, which can be expensive and may contain additives. A box of baking soda is typically inexpensive and can be used for multiple doses, making it a budget-friendly option for managing occasional digestive issues. By incorporating this versatile ingredient into your health routine, you can find relief from heartburn and indigestion without breaking the bank, while also avoiding potential side effects from pharmaceutical alternatives. Baking soda offers several benefits for oral health, primarily due to its antibacterial properties, which help combat harmful bacteria in the mouth and reduce the risk of tooth decay. Its mild, abrasive nature also aids in removing surface stains, promoting a brighter smile. A simple baking soda mouth rinse can be made by dissolving 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a cup of warm water. Swishing this solution around your mouth can help neutralize acids and freshen breath. Additionally, baking soda can be effective in treating mouth sores, providing relief from discomfort and promoting healing. A study has shown that rinsing with a baking soda solution can significantly reduce the pain and duration of mouth sores, making it a valuable home remedy. By incorporating baking soda into your oral hygiene routine, you can enhance your dental health naturally while benefiting from its versatile properties, ensuring a healthier mouth and a brighter smile. Baking soda is a versatile remedy for soothing skin irritations and addressing fungal infections. Its alkaline nature helps relieve itchy skin caused by bug bites, providing quick relief from discomfort. By creating a paste with water and applying it to the affected area, you can alleviate itching and reduce inflammation. Additionally, baking soda's gentle exfoliating properties make it effective for smoothing rough skin areas, such as elbows and knees, by sloughing off dead skin cells and promoting a softer texture. Beyond its soothing effects, baking soda also possesses antifungal properties, making it a useful treatment for various skin infections, including athlete's foot and ringworm. When applied as a paste or added to a warm bath, it can help combat fungal growth and promote healing. By incorporating baking soda into your skincare routine, you can harness its natural benefits to soothe irritations and maintain healthier skin, making it a valuable addition to your home remedies. Baking soda has garnered attention for its potential in alleviating joint pain and inflammation, particularly highlighted by a 2018 study that demonstrated its anti-inflammatory effects. Researchers found that sodium bicarbonate can help reduce inflammation in the body, which may be beneficial for individuals suffering from conditions like arthritis. For those looking to incorporate baking soda into their routine, a suggested dosage is half a teaspoon mixed in a glass of water, taken once daily. However, it is crucial to emphasize the importance of medical supervision when using baking soda for this purpose. Consulting with a healthcare professional is essential, especially for individuals with pre-existing health conditions or those taking medications, as excessive consumption can lead to imbalances in electrolytes or other complications. By working closely with a doctor, patients can safely explore the potential benefits of baking soda while ensuring their overall health and well-being are prioritized. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, can play a supportive role in maintaining kidney health, primarily due to the kidney's essential function of filtering blood and eliminating toxins from the body. When the kidneys are compromised, as in chronic kidney disease, CKD, their ability to regulate acid-base balance diminishes, leading to an accumulation of acid in the blood. A clinical study has shown that administering baking soda can help slow the progression of CKD by increasing bicarbonate levels, which helps neutralize acidity and reduce strain on the kidneys. This is particularly important for patients with CKD, as maintaining a balanced pH can alleviate some of the stress on these vital organs. By incorporating baking soda under medical supervision, individuals may support their kidney function and overall health. However, it is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to ensure safety and effectiveness in managing kidney health. Urinary tract infections, UTIs, can cause significant discomfort, including painful urination, frequent urges to urinate, and lower abdominal pain. One contributing factor to this discomfort is the acidic nature of urine, which can exacerbate irritation in the urinary tract. Baking soda, known for its alkaline properties, may help alleviate these symptoms by neutralizing urine acidity. A 2017 study found that sodium bicarbonate can effectively raise urinary pH, potentially reducing pain and discomfort associated with UTIs. By creating a less acidic environment, baking soda may help soothe irritation and promote healing. However, it is essential to emphasize the importance of consulting a healthcare professional before trying this remedy. While baking soda may provide temporary relief, it is not a substitute for medical treatment, and underlying infections require appropriate antibiotics. Always seek medical advice to ensure safe and effective management of UTIs, as timely intervention is crucial for preventing complications and promoting overall urinary health. During intense exercise, the body produces lactic acid as a byproduct of anaerobic metabolism, leading to muscle fatigue and discomfort. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, has gained attention for its potential to enhance exercise performance and recovery through a process known as bicarbonate loading. This involves consuming baking soda before exercise to increase bicarbonate levels in the blood, which can help buffer lactic acid and delay the onset of fatigue, allowing athletes to perform at higher intensities for longer periods. Research suggests that this practice may improve endurance and overall athletic performance. Additionally, baking soda can be beneficial in post-exercise recovery baths. Adding baking soda to warm bath water can help soothe sore muscles and reduce inflammation, promoting relaxation and recovery after strenuous workouts. However, it's essential to approach bicarbonate loading with caution and consult a healthcare professional before trying it, as excessive intake can lead to gastrointestinal discomfort and other side effects. Ongoing research is exploring the potential role of baking soda in cancer treatment, particularly due to the unique metabolic characteristics of cancer cells. These cells thrive in acidic environments, which can promote their growth and proliferation. Studies have indicated that sodium bicarbonate, when administered, may help raise the pH levels within tumors, creating a less acidic environment that could inhibit cancer cell growth. Research findings suggest that by alkalizing the tumor microenvironment, baking soda may enhance the effectiveness of conventional therapies and improve overall treatment outcomes. However, it is crucial to emphasize that baking soda is not a cure for cancer. Rather, it may serve as a complementary treatment alongside established therapies. While the preliminary results are promising, further research is needed to fully understand its efficacy and safety in cancer care. Patients should always consult with their healthcare providers before considering any new treatment options, ensuring that their approach to cancer management is well-informed and evidence-based. While baking soda offers numerous health benefits, it is essential to consider safety information before use. One crucial aspect is its sodium content. A teaspoon of baking soda contains about 200 milligrams of sodium, which can be problematic for individuals with hypertension, heart disease, or kidney issues. For general use, adults can safely consume up to 1 teaspoon per day, while children should have lower dosages based on age. Typically, half a teaspoon for those aged 6 to 12 and less for younger children. It's vital to consult a healthcare professional if you have underlying health conditions or are pregnant. Potential side effects of baking soda include gastrointestinal discomfort, such as gas or bloating, and excessive intake can lead to metabolic alkalosis, a serious condition. Additionally, baking soda may interact with certain medications, including diuretics and medications for heart conditions. Always seek medical advice before incorporating baking soda into your health regimen to ensure safe and effective use. And that's why baking soda might just be the cheapest superfood in your pantry. If you try any of these hacks, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Feed Your Fitness for more informative content.